Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Farm Compare. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap in there. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and let's type in Farm Compare login since we're going to log in and hit enter. Now here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. That is log into your account since we're going to log in. Tap there and you'll be greeted with the login page. All you can do is fill in those empty fields. At the first field, you have to type in your email address that is associated with your account, and of course your password. And if you've forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can simply tap in that option that's I forgot your password and it will help you. And I'm hoping you have an account. If you do not have an account, you can simply create one by tapping in that create an account button that's in blue color. And that's it, since we've already filled in all the useful important information. All we gotta do now is hit that login button and you'll be logged into your Farm Compare account. I hope this video was helpful. If you want more helpful tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. And if you have any queries, please do not hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to help you with that. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.